Are you a clinical dietitian? If so, then questions you may have are: how do you feed a critically ill patient in the ICU? What are the nutritional considerations for enteral nutrition in the ICU? Hi, and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course, Feeding the Critically Ill. This course is presented by Dr. Shankar, who has over 35 years experience working as a clinical dietitian, mostly with the Apollo hospitals in Chennai, India. She has a PhD in critical care nutrition and is an expert when it comes to feeding the critically ill patient. Dr. Shankar presents the latest evidence and research on the use of enteral nutrition and outlines various nutrition algorithms used in the ICU when making clinical decisions for feeding the critically ill patient. She provides an in-depth presentation following the nutrition care process formula, which enables the clinician to consider the best way to feed a patient in the ICU. She concludes the presentation with an excellent case study as a summary for her session. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. Dr. Shankar is really worth learning from, and she has some great experience. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to get started now.